Good afternoon, students. Today we will be seeing about the case study topics on big data, IoT, and cybercrime. So in today's technology, these two topics are like trending topic where about what is big data and IoT. Okay, what is big data? What is big data? It's a large amount of data or information, right? It is stored in the cloud mainly. Okay, to search, whenever we search in the engine, it gives us the information, right? And it is a combination of IoT devices. Okay, Internet of Things. Okay, which is always been nowadays it is very wherever we go, this IoT plays a role now. Okay, and next comes cybercrime. It's also one more trending topic. Okay, so cybercrime nowadays is becoming a major role wherever in organization, in schools, in colleges, and even in the government organizations, okay, guided traffic systems. Okay, so wherever it is, we have cybercrime also, right? So today we'll see the topics regarding these two topics. Okay, on case studies. Okay, case study on these two topics. Okay, now we welcome the big data and IoT case study topic. Yes, come on, please. Write the topic and call up your team, and then we can start.
पास ऑप्शन क्लियर
Small city traffic management. Okay, call up your team. Yes, yes, start.
Traffic congestion is a major problem in modern cities. It causes delays, fuel wastage, pollution, and accidents. By combining IoT devices with big data analytics, cities can monitor traffic in real time, predict congestion, and optimize traffic flow automatically. However, the rapidly growing city experience heavy traffic during peak hours, long waiting times at traffic signals, frequent road accidents, high air pollution, difficulty for emergency vehicles to reach destinations.
The technology sees the IoT sensors, vehicle camera sensors, CCTV, big data, stores and analyze large volume of data, cloud computing, stores and processing, artificial intelligence, predict traffic, mobile applications, provide live traffic applications. Then working from the IoT sensors, traffic information, data is increasing out service, big data platform, analyze the traffic patterns, AI predicts conditions and actions. Then the drivers receive real-time news emergency vehicle receive signal directly. Solution will controls by
Proposed solution: install smart cameras and road sensors, use AI-based traffic signal control, direct access instantly, give priority to ambulance, police, and fire service, reduce traffic congestion, save travel time, reduce air pollution, improve the
So the conclusion they have given for the students like sensors. Okay, IoT sensors to monitor the network traffic and also AI predictable systems. Okay, so these two they have given us suggestions to monitor these types of traffic management signals. Okay, so their conclusion is this, and the tool that we have said is what are the tools? AI. AI tool. Sensor devices. CCTV cameras. We post installations of CCTV cameras. Okay, and also sensors. We install wherever it is not having in particular locations. Okay, so this is all the tools that they have given and also the conclusions they have given to monitor the traffic systems. Okay, very good. Next, on cybercrime or big data, whatever. Next week, please. Okay, now comes the second week for case study of big data and IoT. Yes. problem statement, how can smart city reduce traffic congestion, provide faster routes for emergency vehicles, minimize fuel consumption and pollutants, predict traffic before congestion becomes severe. So these are the problems in this case. Next challenges. Millions of vehicles travel daily. Traffic conditions change every minute. Large amount of sensors data are generated continuously. Accidents and roadblocks require immediate actions. Next, cover will explain the IoT. Here I am going to explain the IoT component use. So first component used here is smart traffic camera. So this one is used here to monitor traffic and detect accidents. The second one used here is vehicle sensor. So this is used to count vehicles and measure traffic flow. The third one here used is GPS devices. So this one is used to track vehicle locations and speed. The fourth one here is used is smart traffic lights. This one is used to automatically adjust signal timing based on traffic conditions. The fifth one here used is cloud platform. This collects data from all the IoT devices. And here I am also going to explain about the big data technology. The first technology is Apache Hadoop. This one stores massive amount of traffic data. The second one here is Apache Spark. This one processes real-time traffic information. The third one here is cloud computing. This one provides scalable storage and processing. The next one, Japanese leverage. Next, we are going to discuss about the real life scenario. During office hours, one road becomes heavily congested due to an accident. On this situation, without smart traffic management, traffic signals remain fixed, vehicles wait unnecessarily, ambulances get delayed, fuel consumption increases, pollution rises. And with smart traffic management, cameras detect congestion, IoT sensors send live traffic data, big data analytics identifies the best traffic signal timings, nearby signals turn green for longer durations, navigation apps suggest alternate routes, emergency vehicles receive priority through green corridors. Benefits. It can reduce traffic congestion, save travel time, lower fuel consumption, reduces air pollution, improves road safety, faster emergency response, better city planning using big data. Very good. So they have said about the vehicle sensors, right? So in order to track how many vehicles is going on to the particular route, right? And then also particular what the routes. Okay. So what are the routes available in order to reduce the traffic? The shortest route, the ambulance. Okay. So the particular sensors will track of which is the shortest routes available in the ambulance. And also we will navigate the signals, red and green signals. Yes, so this will prevent the traffic controls. Okay, so this becomes a smart city traffic management. Okay, very good. Next thing, please come up. So next the topic is smart home automation. So the introduction of smart home automation is smart home automation makes our home smarter. It uses the IoT to control the device. User can control like light, fan, and AC by using a mobile phone. It makes our life easier. So the problem statement is people forgot to switch off the lights and fan. This wastes electricity. Electricity bills become higher. Traditional home have less security. Smart home automation solves these problems by allowing a remote and controlled electricity. So now what to do? I'm going to explain about the object. We can use the automations in home applications like security and distributing smart controllers, and we can use remote and accessing point with the comfort. Technologies are used in IoT. IoT The microcontroller are processed with the data and the information that is generated from mobile applications data uses controller and voice command and it used to respond to the current basis. Speaking of benefits, smart home automation saves energy, improves home security, remote monitoring and control. We can use it easily and access it easily. It has comfort and accessibility. About challenges, whatever we can use about comfortable and convenience because initial installation costs so much. About internet efficiency, privacy and cybersecurity. Conclusion: smart home automation transforms modern living by making homes safer, smarter, more energy efficient, and we can access from anywhere using IoT technology. It makes daily life more convenient. Okay, very good. So we have smart home automation. So we have like remote control systems. Okay, where we can have the installation devices like washing machine doors we have for locking door systems, smart locking door systems, and then we have for televisions, okay, for motors, IoT motors, okay. Whenever we want to have water irrigations for our plants in the balcony for our home. Okay, whenever we are outside or out of stations, so we can use the IoT sensors so that it will give up your messages to your mobiles, and then we can have we can on the systems particularly in your mobile device itself. Okay, whenever we are in out of stations. Okay, so we can know what is happening in our house. Okay, so that is what is. So if we forgot today we have forgotten to off the particular what motors or washing machines or whatever. So what happened is we can do it in our mobile itself and use up the alert systems. Okay, if we give up the alert systems to our mobile so that we can know okay this particularly it's very busy too, we have to do that. Okay, we give alert and we can know what is happening and we can be safe for side. Okay, that is what this is. Smart home automations. Okay, thank you. Okay, now this team is going to talk on case study on cybercrime. It is QR code phishing attack. Okay, case study.
So topic is QR code phishing. In this QR code phishing, the attacker will make a fake QR code and they will stick it on some restaurant tables and Wi-Fi and also some other websites. If you scan that, it will automatically hack your phone on your device, and all your personal information and your financial data will be exposed to the attack. So in the last 5 years, the AI has developed like 5 times, and also the digital attacks also developed so much. So to overcome this, we have to apply the cybersecurity and AI.
Impacts: financial losses, theft of personal data, banking information, identity thefts, unauthorized access to the banks, loss of trust, prevents to be.
Prevention: never scan QR code from unknown source. Verify your URL codes before entering personal information. Never share OTP or PIN. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible.
Okay, very good. So QR code phishing attack where we should not scan. Even though if we are scanning that, we have to ensure that before giving the information whether it is particular domain or it is asking for your any personal information like that. Okay. So we have to be very careful and we should not give your personal information whenever you scan the particular code. Okay, and that is very important. And in order to if the code is if the particular code is being scanned, so what happens is your financial information will be empty. Okay, your bank account passwords will be known. Okay, so that is what is okay. So they will attack your bank account, anything. Okay, any personal information, your phone numbers, your email IDs. Okay, everything will be seized. Okay, so you should be aware of particular QR code. Okay, thank you. Topic, okay, on big data, IoT and cybercrime. Okay, so we have many topics, but mainly in big data we have three topics that you have presented. So smart city traffic, IoT and agriculture, smart home automation. Okay, so these are the very important topics too. Okay, so be aware of these IoT topics. Okay, and you can also install this and see. Okay, it will cost. You can check the cost of your sensors. Okay, and you can deploy it in your house also. You can see the how it is working on. Okay, IoT sensors for soil moisturizers. Okay, for your locking doors, smart locking door systems. Okay, you can have and you can check it out how it is working on. Okay, you can have how you have to install the applications in your phone also. Okay, for the alert systems. Okay, for your benefits. Okay, and cybercrime also. So you can know the tools and technologies. Okay, what tool can be installed in order to avoid the particular okay, like this phishing. Okay, so we can't know which is the scam things. Okay, QR code which we couldn't know. So don't click unnecessarily the links. Okay, or QR code and give informations. Okay, you have to check twice or thrice and have two step verifications. Okay, in your phones or banks